HTML contact form wizards. In this video, we'll discuss how to reach and use the HTML contact form wizards for your lead generation. First, in order to access them, we'll have to go to the lead generation subsection of the system. And we'll have to choose either the HTML pop-ups, HTML form, or HTML landing pages option. Let's start with the pop-ups creator. The first thing we'll see is a list of all the previously made HTML pop-ups. In order to display each pop-up, we need to insert the Salesman Go script into your website in order to display the pop-ups properly. Let's proceed to the creator. In the first creator, we'll decide whether the pop-up will be active upon creation, whether it will be a contact form or a landing page, the name of the pop-up that will appear in the system, the URL where the pop-up will be displayed using regular expressions. If you want to display the pop-ups on all pages, we insert 2 stars. If we only want to show it on a home page, we use the setting show pop-up on homepage only. We can also add a list of URLs to exclude where the pop-up should not be displayed. Next are the graphical settings, with the pop-up height, width, the spacing it will have from the top of the web page when displayed, space from the left of the page, alternatively we can center it, and whether the pop-up will be in a fixed position or if it will scroll with the page. Each pop-up has a small closing image in the top right corner. Here we can determine what image we'll use by inserting its URL. Likewise, we can adjust its height, width, and its position relative to the pop-up. We can hide its background or change it. We can also dim the background of the page when a pop-up is being displayed. The Activate Interval option allows us to specify that a pop-up should only appear after a certain amount of visits or views. The Activate Time Delay will still allow the pop-up to be displayed on the same pages. However, it will be done so with a certain time skip. So if we set the time delay to 10 seconds, the contact that will visit the website will not see the pop-up immediately, but after 10 seconds has passed since the website has been fully loaded. The Activate Pop-up if a mouse leaves the browser is an option that allows the pop-up to act as an exit pop-up, appearing only when the client is about to leave the website. Next, let's take a look at the HTML form creator. Likewise, we have the list of all the forms that were previously made. To go to the creator, we'll have to click Add Form. and will be greeted with a similar creator, but with a few changes. The first thing we have are the tags that will be assigned when a contact subscribes through the contact form in the form itself, and the tags that will be added after the contact has confirmed their subscription by clicking on a confirmation link inside the confirmation email. We have additional settings if we can detect that a contact has already existed or is currently existing in our CRM. If a contact does exist already in our CRM and they fill in the contact form, we can choose whether or not we want to send the confirmation email to them to avoid being redundant. We can determine if we are adding any coupons or if the form itself is dynamic. In the content page, here we'll be able to edit the actual body of the form itself using the familiar HTML editor settings. Likewise, we have the same option for the thank you page that will be displayed when a form has been completed successfully. Keep in mind, to change to a regular HTML edition view, you can click on Toggle Editor in the top right corner. Next, we can determine what email account is sending the confirmation message, what the subject of the message is, as well as the body itself. If you want to redirect a user after they clicked on the confirmation link, you can choose to do so through the redirect to URL option, or redirect to the landing page of your choice. Next, let's go to the HTML landing page creator. When going to the HTML landing pages section, we have an option to use one of the existing creators or the HTML creator. Again, here we can determine the name, the title of the landing page, whether it uses our UTM tracking system, and again the familiar HTML form. Make sure to save your settings after making them by clicking on the Save button on the bottom right corner. This concludes our video. For more help, you can visit our webpage at support.salesmanago.com.